Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Autodesk Civil 3D 2022. In the last session, you have learned how to export and import the land XML files. Today we will see what if we have an AutoCAD drawing and we want to convert it into working Civil 3D file. You can find this supporting file along with this video tutorial. So let's open this file by simply dragging and dropping into Civil 3D workspace. Now, if you select any point, you can see this is not a surface. If we select it, you can see it is not an alignment. These are just few layers of AutoCAD. Now what we can do, we can go to alignment, create alignment from objects, and now we have to select this polyline, which must be the alignment. Make sure you don't leave any point unchecked. Now we have selected the entire polyline. Now either we want to select this direction or we want to reverse it. It is okay, so we can press enter key or space bar. The next thing is to name it. Let's call it alignment 1. The type is center line. Other things can be set as by default and then press OK. We have successfully converted a polyline into the alignment. Here we have the properties. We can change anything that we want. Next, you can see this is the surface. These are the majors and minors. So we can select few or we can select similar like this. Right click, select similar, and when you see that the all majors and minors are selected, we can create a surface out of it. Let's isolate it. If you don't find isolation, you do it from here. Isolate objects. Now it is completely isolated. We can select one, go to the properties and see if there is elevation. Yes, it is elevation. So this is actually a 3D poly. Now the surface, we can create a new surface. Let's name it as surface 1. Then press OK. Now we have to go to the surface 1, its definition, and now we have to add. So let's add the contours. Let's choose the by default settings. Now we can select all these contours and press the enter key. Now you can see the surface has been formed. In this way, we can use the previously shared data and create a working Civil 3D file out of it. It will take some time and a little bit tweaking. We can change the details later, like the surface spellings were wrong, you can correct them. You can go to the styles, the properties, and so on. Let's apply, OK, and we are all done. Same can be done for the points, profiles, and the other data. We can create these tables and profiles from these surface. So let's delete them. Save this file as lecture number 51. Once the file is saved, we can simply close it. So this is how we can convert an AutoCAD file into a working Civil 3D file. It takes some time and patience, but it is not impossible. As long as there are elevations available, you know the points, the contours, everything is in 3D, then you can go for it. So let's call it a day. See you in another session. Till then, take care.